Hello. So today we are looking at problem number 3438 to find the valid pair of adjacent digits in a string. So it's a easy problem. So it's a bi-weekly contest 149. So it asks us to given a string S. So this is a string S which consists of only digits. So if you see everything, all are digits here like 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 3, 3. A valid pair is defined as two adjacent digits in S. So as we want to return a valid pair, so which is having two adjacent digits. So it's gonna be this 2 5 is gonna be one pair, 5 2 is one pair, 2 3 is another. So it goes on until the end of the string. So there is a condition saying you can only return a pair if the first digit is not equals to the second. So if you see in the answer, the first digit is not equals to the second, and the next one is each digit in the pair appears in an s exactly as many times as its numeric values. So if you see in the answer, 2 and 3 are not equal but they are making a pair, and if you see 2 occurs two times in the string. So if you see once here and once here. Similarly, 3 occurs 3 times in the string, 1 2 3. So it satisfies all the conditions which says that it should be a pair. So it is a pair. It can be a pair, and the adjacent elements should have the same number of times occurrences in the main string. So 2 occurs twice, 3 occurs thrice. So return the valid pair is what we have to zone. So as it's saying the return a valid pair, so it's gonna be a return statement of string. So it's a string here. So we're starting with initialization of a vector frequency. So we are gonna first record how frequently is each number occurring in a string. So as we know, the constraints here are from 2 to 100, and S only consists of digits 1 to 9. So for 1 to 9 we are having a frequency of 10 to 0, because as we just saw the constraint, it's gonna go from 1 to 9 only each number. So first we are counting the frequency. So as we know, this is a string, but we need to count the frequency of numbers. So we are gonna count the frequency of numbers by iterating over each character and converting each character into a number. So as you know, I'm storing it in a frequency vector of one dimension. So it's gonna be frequency of, so it's gonna iterate over all string. So it's iterating from 2, so 2 minus 0. So character of 2 minus character of 0 is gonna return you the value in integer 2, and then I'm incrementing it. So similarly, I'm gonna add all these occurrences, how frequently are they happening for each number, and after that I'm gonna find the first largest adjacent pair. So for int I from 0 till s dot size minus 1 I plus plus, I'm doing s dot size minus 1 here because I'm starting it from 0. So it starts from 0, which is this element, because I'm doing a 0 based indexing. So it's from 0 until n minus 1, which is the last element. So if you see in current, I'm initializing two pointers, current and next. So current is gonna point at the first element, and next is gonna go on to the next element. Similarly, as soon as the loop increments, it's gonna go on to the next element, and the next pointer will go on to the next. So current and next, and I'm initializing it with an integer. So to convert a character to integer, you do minus of character 0, minus of character 0. And then after, for first iteration, if you see frequency of current, which is nothing but 2. So the 2's frequency is 2 here. Is it equals to current? So yes, it is equals to current if you see. And frequency of next is equals to next. So if you see frequency of I, is it equals to 5? No, it's 2, so it's not gonna accept. So it's gonna move for 5 2, then it's gonna go to 2 3, and if you see frequency of 2 is equals to the 2, so 2 satisfies, and frequency of 3, which is 3, is equals to this value 3. And there is also a catch here, that whenever a current's next value is matching, then you have to also make sure that the current value and the next value are not same. There could be an instance where 2 and 2 could be same, and they could also be returned as an answer, but we want unique. So if you see, we wanted unique here, because 2 is occur once and again twice, so if you go twice it's not gonna work out, so it's gonna be 2 and 1, so 21 is the answer. So that's why this condition current is not equals to the next. And then you return the string from you are going to return a string appending it with the first element to be s of I, and the second element to be s of I plus 1, which is 2 and 3 here for me. So you're gonna return the string, or else if there is no answer in the whole iteration from 0 to last element, I mean the first to last, then you're gonna return a empty string. Thank you.